How to log into Instagram without a recovery code. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log into Instagram account without a recovery code. Now, if you open up the app, you'll get an interface like this. If you try to log into your account here, now you can see the password option, and below login option you'll find the option forgotten password. Now simply tap on the forgotten password option, and here you'll get an option to search in your account. Now under find your account, type in your email address or mobile number or username. I'll just type in my username. Now tap on find your account and Instagram should find your account. Since you want to log into Instagram without a recovery code, it's probably that you don't have access to your phone number or your email. So what you want to do is tap on no longer have access to these. You'll get an interface like this to choose a way to recover your Instagram account through phone number, through WhatsApp, through email, but tap on try another way, and here tap on the option the login code was sent to a mobile number or email address that I don't have access to. Now tap on it and tap on next, and here you'll get an option to yes, take a selfie video to confirm my account. Now if you have more than one photo of yourself in your account, and you can take a selfie video of yourself and send it to Instagram, and this will probably get back to you and help you recover your account and log into your account. So this way you can log in to Instagram account without a recovery code. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.